Hello foodies, welcome back to Rahman's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make chicken dum biryani. Before this, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more updates. So let us start. For this we need some biryani pieces, chicken big pieces. In that I'm gonna add some salt. Now we'll add some chili powder, ginger garlic paste. All the measurements I have given in the description, and we'll mix it well. Now I'm adding some coriander powder, chicken masala, garam masala, and we'll mix it well again. After keeping a while, now we'll add some curd in it. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of curd. And we'll mix it well so that the curd incorporates into your chicken, and we'll keep it aside for half an hour for marination. Now in another bowl, we'll take some oil and we'll fry the onions for sprinkling. Here I have taken one big large size onion which I have sliced, and I'm gonna fry it deep golden fry. Now we'll remove it into a plate and keep it aside. It will be used for sprinkling on the biryani at the end. Now we'll remove some oil from it and we'll take some 4 tablespoons of oil, it's enough. Now we'll add some spices and then 1 small sized onion. After the onion gets golden brown, we'll add some chilies. We have to slit in the middle and we have to add these chilies. Saute it and then add some ginger garlic paste. Once the ginger garlic paste rawness has been disappeared, now we can add in this some tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook well. Now I'm gonna add some chopped coriander and mint. In that we'll add some coconut paste, approximately 3 tablespoons I'm adding here. We'll mix it well. Once the tomatoes has been mashed up, we'll add some chicken which we have kept for marination. So we'll let it cook. Meanwhile, in another bowl, we'll take some water, and in that we'll add some oil and salt. Once it has been boiled, we should add some rice which we have kept soaked before half an hour. So let it cook. Meanwhile, we'll check some chicken. Here it is done. So we'll take that into a bowl so that we can layer it again. In the bottom of the pan, only oil and some gravy I will be keeping. Now we'll start layering the rice. The rice has been cooked. Always remember, for dum biryani the rice should be cooked only to 60 to 70% only. Later we'll be leaving it for dum, right? At that time the remaining portion of the rice can be cooked. So we'll just layer all the masala and again rice, again that chicken masala gravy, and then rice. And meanwhile, in these layers you can even add some fried onions. And now the last layer of the rice I'm gonna add. You can just check it by pressing the rice. You have to check the rice before you use. If it is well cooked there itself, again in the dum it will be mashy. So now I am sprinkling some onions, fried onions. Add some ghee. Now let it cook. I'm adding some lime juice with some food color. So hence your biryani is ready. Now we'll plate it into a plate. Hot biryani is ready. So this is your biryani. Try it at home and please comment me for more videos. Thank you.